Hi, this is Chris Lyon, and we're going to be talking about deviance and its effect on society and the workplace. Deviance is an act of which humans take views or beliefs or something that is considered immoral. Deviance is highly subjective. This means that it may be unacceptable to one person and may be acceptable to another. In a physical world, deviance is something that a person has physically done that is outside of the norm. For example, somebody may go into Walmart and steal an item. This is an action that would be considered deviant. In a digital world, deviance is something that a person uses a technological resource such as a computer in order to commit a particular act. We will use theft as our example again. In the first scenario, a person had to physically walk into Walmart and steal an item. Theft in a technological environment would be as if Bill would go online and still steal somebody's identity. Other forms of physical deviance would include speeding, drugs and alcohol, tattoos, or even a more touchy subject as gender identity. Other forms of digital deviance could include hacking, pornography, and online gambling. So let's touch more on deviation and see its impact on society. As stated before, deviance is something that we as humans feel is immoral and against our beliefs. Sometimes this could be contributed towards our lack of understanding or knowledge with the situation. Not all acts of deviance will be illegal or bad just because of one's views on that issue. Deviance is not just in one place, it is everywhere. What are changes in society that are associated with deviation? The most common change in society is how people react to the forms of deviance and new forms of deviance, especially within technology. There have been advancements in technology which require people to stay alert with new ways of deviation. With more people sharing personal information online through places such as Facebook, information has become more available to hackers and identity thieves. There are two theories that help us define deviation. Those two theories are conflict theory and symbolic interaction theory. Conflict theory is Karl Marx. He has stated a higher class in society dominates because of their power. With that said, the connection with deviation is that these higher classes not only follow the rules and laws of society, but is also believe that those who are less fortunate are the ones who are deviant. Therefore, a person who does not follow the standards or are in an elite class are deviant. Symbolic interaction theory states there are symbols and meanings that are created by members of society. This theory attaches a symbol or label to a person, and once that is the case, the rest of our society will associate that person with that label. For example, if Bill were to steal a DVD, he is a thief. Now that Bill has been given the label of a thief, the rest of society finds him deviant. How can deviance affect the work environment? Deviance can be present in the work environment in many ways and can really hinder production, teamwork, safety, and morale. Aggressive behaviors such as arguing, fighting, harassment can all be examples of deviance. Being unproductive, such as wandering around or showing up late for work, or talking on the phone or taking text messages during work, can all be considered deviant. Finally, abusing property such as damaging equipment or stealing can be considered deviant. As stated before, deviance is something that is highly subjective. It may be what may be unacceptable to one person may not be to another. So, what do you find deviant? Thank you.